Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is your favorite Nigerian American vlogger on YouTube, and I hope that you guys are doing well. I have like an exciting adventure that I want to take you guys on. For you guys that watch my channel, you guys will know that I document all my projects that I'm partaking in Nigeria, whether it's like on the farming, agriculture side or on the real estate side. This one is gonna be, I've actually remodeled 1, 2, 3, 4 apartments before, but I haven't really taken you guys on like a step-to-step guide of how we did this remodeling. And I usually just, I don't know, I've just never kind of like enjoyed vlogging that part because it's a lot of missing parts. But I was like, you know what, this one is gonna be a cool project to document for you guys. So this is a house that we purchased for a client in a Lekki area, and he contracted me to help him take care of all the renovation of this project, whether it's furnishing, whether it's beautification, whether it's everything. And usually I would delegate this out or contract it out, but this time I'm like, I want to be actually present from this project from the beginning to the end, because a lot of things get missed. So now I am taking on the role of a project manager, and I'm also working with like another like kind of like project lead essentially. And then we have all these multiple teams that's going to be working on this project, and I'm going to be taking you guys along step by step of how we are going to remodel this apartment. I also think this would be good education for people watching, and the proper way to kind of plan things out. I think, to be honest, I don't know what other people do, but I'm sure everybody has a plan and strategy. But I'm going to share how we're doing this. I'm going to share all the lessons learned. I'm going to share all the good things that we learned. It's going to be exciting. So with that being said, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. If this is a content that you would like to follow, make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to be providing weekly updates on this project for you guys and also my clients, which will be fun for him to also see the projects. So every week I am going to be posting an update about this house.